Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the real deal on beauty products. If you're always on the hunt for something that packs a punch without taking up too much space, whether it's in your travel bag or your skincare routine, today's review might just be for you. We're looking at the e.l.f. Skin Wake the e.l.f. Up Skincare Kit, a travel-sized bundle that promises to cleanse, hydrate, and brighten all before you even finish your morning coffee. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review like this one. Now let's dive in. The e.l.f. Skin Wake the e.l.f. Up Skincare Kit is designed to be your all-in-one morning routine, packed into mini versions of some of e.l.f.'s most popular skincare products. The kit includes 4 travel-sized products: the Clean-Free Daily Cleanser, the Vitamin C E plus Ferulic Acid Serum, Holy Hydration, Daily Moisturizer, and Suntouchable Invisible Sunscreen. So, whether you're jet-setting across the world or just need a skincare refresh on the go, this kit aims to cover all your bases. Let's start with the Clean-Free Daily Cleanser. This gentle face wash is perfect for waking up your skin without stripping it. It's got a light, refreshing feel and works to remove dirt, oil, and makeup residue without leaving your skin feeling tight or dry. It's the kind of cleanser you can use every day, and it won't irritate even sensitive skin. Next, we have the Vitamin C plus E plus Ferulic Acid Serum. Vitamin C is a holy grail for anyone wanting to brighten their complexion, and when combined with vitamin E and ferulic acid, it really amps up the antioxidants. This serum is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave a greasy residue, making it perfect for layering under moisturizer and sunscreen. Speaking of moisturizer, let's talk about Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. This one is a fan favorite for a reason. It's hydrating but still lightweight, and it contains hyaluronic acid, which is excellent for plumping and smoothing the skin. It's not too heavy, making it a great base for makeup too. And of course, the Suntouchable Invisible Sunscreen is an essential. With SPF 30, it provides broad-spectrum protection without leaving a white cast, which is something we all want, especially with a product this light and easy to apply. Plus, it's got that invisible finish, so you don't have to worry about it interfering with your makeup routine. In terms of real-world use, this kit does exactly what it promises: quick, efficient, and effective. The travel-sized products are small, but deliver the same quality as the full-size versions, making them perfect for a streamlined, on-the-go routine. Whether I was heading out for the day or just need a quick refresh, these products came through. No mess, no fuss. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. Pros. The kit is incredibly convenient, especially for those who travel often or want to try out the products without committing to full sizes. The products are all lightweight and feel comfortable on the skin, absorbing quickly without any sticky residue. I love the combination of hydrating ingredients and vitamin C in the serum. It really helps to brighten my complexion without irritation. Vegan, cruelty-free, and budget-friendly. e.l.f. nails it on so many levels with these products. Cons. The travel sizes are, well, small. If you're someone who prefers larger quantities or uses a lot of product daily, these may run out quicker than you'd like. Some users with more sensitive skin may find the sunscreen to be slightly irritating, especially those with very reactive skin types. When it comes to value for money, this kit is a great deal for anyone looking to test out some of e.l.f.'s best skincare products. The price is very reasonable, especially considering the high-quality ingredients and the fact that these products are vegan and cruelty-free. Now, as for product alternatives, if you're looking for something a little more affordable, but still effective, I would recommend checking out brands like The Ordinary or even CeraVe for similarly priced items. Both of those brands offer great basic skincare kits that could give you a similar level of hydration and protection. The build quality of these mini products is also solid. Each product comes in sleek, sturdy packaging that feels high-end for the price point. The serum's dropper is easy to use, the cleanser has a nice pump, and the sunscreen has a smooth application that blends into the skin well. Would I recommend the e.l.f. Skin Wake the e.l.f. Up Skincare Kit? Absolutely. It's a great pick for anyone who needs a simple, quick, and effective morning skincare routine. The products work well for all skin types and provide a balanced approach to cleansing, hydration, and sun protection. Plus, you get to try out a lot of e.l.f.'s top skincare offerings without committing to full-size bottles. If you travel often or are just looking for something light to add to your morning routine, this kit is a winner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you're considering this kit, the link to purchase it is down in the comments or description box. And if you've already used it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.